Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I'm back with another Boxycharm base box. And this will be my last base box. I canceled, so this is my last one. And I already did open it up because it's late and I wanted to check and see what was in the box, let's be honest. So it wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, because I was thinking, of like looking at all of those items that I was going in the pop-up, that I was like, don't want, don't want, don't want, don't want. I thought I was gonna get all of those. So it wasn't as bad as I was anticipating, but I think I'm glad that I canceled the base box, because the values on them have been really low lately. And I swore it was supposed to be at least $175 of product, but this one was $138. So that's pretty low, you know, in comparison, if they say it's supposed to be up to $175. So I'm glad I canceled that. I'm still going to be getting the new one to me, the AIA Beauty Bundle. So look for that coming soon. Today is the 21st, and if my phone rings and I have to take off, my sister went to the hospital yesterday in an ambulance. Heart problems, so she's still there. They had to keep her, so if my phone rings and I dip out for a second, that's why. Okay. And then literally, I tried to get her to come to because I have the bedroom, I have a gate. She was whining. I can't even leave the room, and she's like whining. And I went to the gate. I'm like, okay, come get off the bed. Come to the gate, and I'll pick you up, and you can come out here. She would not get off the bed, and she wouldn't come down the stairs to the gate. She just stood at the corner of the gate and whined, and she didn't want to come. So if she's crying, that's her own fault. But yeah, anyway. If you're new, hi, my name's Tracy. Welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for coming back. And we're gonna do the unboxing of the Boxycharm. And today on my eyes, I have the Glamlite Burger Palette. This is like not a new release. It's new to me though. And I really like it. So that's what it looks like. And I found this at Burlington for $16.99. So if you have a Burlington, you might want to keep your eyes open, because for some reason they have Glamlite palettes. I've seen one of the pizza slices, and I saw the burgers, and I saw one of the taco, the bigger taco, but the shades were busted, and they didn't even want to give me like a decent discount. They were like, oh, we can give you 10%. And I'm like, 10%? And there was like busted shades that I had to repress, and the palette was a mess. I was like, nah. But yeah, if you have a Burlington, be on the lookout, because I was super surprised that, you know, to find it there. And the quality's really nice. So that's what I have on my eyes today. And on my lips, I just have the clear Nabla Lip Viper. So I've had it on for a while, and like my lips are still stinging, but it's not bad. It doesn't, you know, it's not like, oh my God, like some people say it really hurts, but I don't know. It could make your lips plump, or it could just be a placebo effect. Who knows? Anyway, let's get into the box. This is the theme is Spellbound. And let's see, the breaking news, October 11th. I think they changed the name now. It's called Drop Shop instead of add-ons, and then Mega Drop Shop, formerly Pop-Up. And then it says early November, they're gonna have Boxy Beauty Bash. That is once a year. Don't miss this. Access our annual holiday blowout sale to shop exclusive products and brands, special deals dropping all month long. So, ow, hey, excuse me. They're watching you. They see you. You need your claws tamed. So it looks like the November 8th, I guess they'd be doing the choice then. I don't like when they do it so early in the month when you don't have your box yet, and like you might want to buy stuff. But they already have the choice items, like the Persona Identity Palette. They have some of the November choice items in the drop shop, as they're calling it now. I did notice that. So if you had choice and you pick one and not the other, I picked the palette, not the hair serum. So you could go over there and pick up whichever one you didn't choose. So let's see, the first item in the box is the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. And I used this today, and I don't have any foundation on. I don't have a filter on my camera. I don't even know how to do any of that to begin with, but I know people are talking about people using filters and like blurring their faces, and you can't really see the shades and the stuff like that. So I don't have a filter on. I don't have a foundation on. And I didn't realize that this could be just for the glow. I was more thinking skincare, but it kind of has a dual purpose. So it was really nice. It smells like watermelon, my favorite things. So this is $34, so over the price of the box right there. And then we have the Ace Beauty Falling For You palette, and this is $34.99. And I've used it a couple times, and I like the shades. I mean, I feel like it fits the vibe of fall, so that's really nice. And that was $34.99. And then we have this item called Tint Beauty Lash and Brow Duo. And I can tell you that I don't like this. There's a mascara on one end, which is kind of okay. Like, it's a rubber wand. I mean, it's okay. Like, I don't either way. Like, my lashes are good. And then on this side, you have a brown mascara. You can see the goopiness, and then when it's like the stopper isn't there, and I mean it's a fiber thing, so it came out really, really clumpy, and like in this brow it kind of got stuck. So I mean, it'll hold your brows, but very clumpy and messy. So definitely not something I would purchase. Even in the Boxy drop shop for $6, I wouldn't buy it. It's just not good. And then we have Kinder Beauty, the Overnight Lip Mask. They say this is $20, and there's no way I would give them $20 for this. It feels like a little tube of Vaseline, a little tub, one of the little mini tubs. I have one right over there. That's what it feels like. It's just a little mini thing, and there's barely any product in there. Look at that. All of this whole glass piece there's no product in any of this glass. It's just a teeny tiny pan of stuff. And like I said, just like Vaseline, and this Kinder brand, it's not like an expensive brand, so I don't know why this is $20. But definitely not worth $20. Go with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. It's like a couple bucks more, or there's a value set at Sephora right now that's a good deal. I would go with one of those, and not this for sure, not for $20. And then the last product we have is something you guys know I don't really dig on getting, is the Julep Makeup Remover Wipes. It says, simplify your routine. That this is 2 wipes in 1 to remove makeup and impurities while refining pores and toning the skin with witch hazel, glycerin, and olive oil. Swipe across the skin to gently remove makeup, even waterproof, without tugging or pulling. No need to rinse. Suitable for all skin types, especially oily and acne prone. 100% biodegradable. So I'll use those like to take swatches and stuff like that off, but I try not to really buy makeup wipes. I use like the makeup remover cloths stuff like that. I have a couple of face halos, things like that. Try to not, you know, have so much waste. So this box was $138 of product for 25 bucks. So it's not a bad deal, you know, by any means, but I'm to the point where I have so much makeup also that I'm like, these boxes haven't been that great lately. Like, let me cancel. Like, I don't really need like anything, so that's another reason I canceled too. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and seeing what I got in the box. And yeah, I canceled it, so you won't see it next month, but I will still have 2 unboxings next month. So if you are a new person here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're a return watcher, thank you so much for coming back. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.